4:17 p.m. Linden. Val's brother is gonna drive us to the airport. Our flight is at 7:55 p.m. tonight, heading to Las Vegas. Still got about an hour to get to our destination. A lot of driving. The crazier part of the trip is still about to come. Our destination here in California. Adventure stuff with the kids, so they can enjoy time. Other than that, shout out kay Linden sa mga nag-drive na sa amin papuntang LAX, going to Vegas. Tapos sa Linden, salamat.
And
sabi niya next time ay chowking daw. Ay, ito pala yung mas malaki.
nasa baliktad.
Baliktad. Sal. Welcome to Sal. This is me checking in. We're waiting for boarding. We are with family. Say hi to the vlog.
My friends want to say hi to the vlog.
Mr. Conrad, can you subscribe please?
And
Hi to the drop. Say hi to the vlog. Can you click subscribe please? Click the button please. Subscribe. Oh, is that Marie?
no.
That's not Marie.
And Mayuna,
Hi to the vlog.
say hi.
Click subscribe Yuna. We're gonna get there around 9. But yeah, we'll be there no time soon. We're gonna be checking in at Treasure Island. Oh, at this trip, we're pretty tired, but doable. We're not even halfway our trip, and
So
it feels like we've already done so much in just a matter of few days. We're gonna be in places we haven't been before.
Oh, Tito Moy, we miss you all already.
There they are. See you guys in a bit.
You may now use the cellular function of your small portable electronic devices. If you have a connecting flight here, step over to the terminal and check.
Welcome to LV.
Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vegas. It's our first time here in Las Vegas. Oh, already. Right away. There you are.
Very tempting.
Hey Albino fam, are you ready? Welcome to Las Vegas.
Wait, so Daddy, so this is bad? What are you doing, Daddy?
I came ready, guys, for this video. Hey guys, where is it? Look, this is 25 cents.
Daddy, stop.
Must be 21 to play.
Well, how old are you? It's okay.
He is lost.
Right here. Airplane head. Are you recording that? Are you recording?
Learning how to... on. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Wow.
Oh, I don't need to do this.
Wow.
We
Wow.
can do it.
Woo, good job.
We can travel on our own now. Me and Holly are independent ladies.
That's why we feed you.
How's it going?
Yeah, good, good. Thank you.
All right.
Treasure Island.
All right. Bring them out here.
Hi there.
So, what we doing? We on the big ones first. Go ahead and start jumping in, ladies. I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
Seatbelts, please. You said Treasure Island?
Yeah.
It's a $28 flat rate to Treasure Island. It's really expensive here.
Right.
Eat, party, drink, all that stuff. I tell everybody, when you get to Vegas, you want to go to the liquor store and get your booze, your snacks, and your water, because it's really super expensive on the strip. I mean, like, stupid expensive. Like a Fiji water, a large one is $27 in your room. That's your room. That's just the water. And yeah. So it's really super expensive.
So to eat, if it's something that you're looking for,
If you're going to go to eat at a restaurant, you better make reservations.
so where should we get stuff? Like if we want to buy water or like something quick food.
Get it right now.
Let's see.
And it includes a $28 price. It's included. You want to go.
Hey guys, we're super hungry. Tomorrow we're gonna do Grand Canyon tour all day. We're gonna be picked up around 7:30 and we'll be on for 14 hours. Yeah. Welcome to Vegas. Hey guys, we're just walking around. Actually, we're trying to get food.